They asked the question, are you ready? We are ready. That is one tough-looking ute. Now, joining me now to take us under the bonnet is Arnaud Charpentier, Nissan Regional Vice President of Mobility and Marketing, and Nissan Global Senior Design Director, Ken Lee. Ken, how do we follow that? What would you say is the essence of this all-new Nissan Navara?
Oh, definitely. I would have to say it's the unbreakable spirit and the go-anywhere DNA of the Navara. And this is how we describe this all-new Nissan Navara. And in the design studio, we would say that the Navara's character is that of a modern warrior. And the original Titan warrior concept that you see on the screen here, that planted the seed. It's bold, strong, and fearless. But our new Navara, that takes the idea even further. It's not just about being tough, but it's about being smart, adaptive, and ready for any challenge. So our new front design, that's inspired by the bull bar, and our iconic V-strut grille, which you see throughout the history of Nissan pickup trucks, that slightly tapers towards the bottom, and that gives it a sense of agility and athleticism. And it instantly connects the new Navara with the rest of the Nissan lineup. And all these tech-inspired elements advances this ute into the future.
I love that, an athletic ute. I love the sound of that. Now, one of the things that strikes me is that front end distinctive. Can you talk me through the changes, how they enhance performance?
Oh, definitely, I'd love to. So let me get closer to this, this really cool PRO-4X here. And so, of course, as you see, the new Navara has a very bold front face. And the front face is what defines the character of a vehicle. So as we mentioned, it's inspired by a bull bar. So when our design team from Japan traveled to the region to see how our customers use the utes and all the modified utes, we were so inspired and seeing how rugged, tough they are. And so even on the base vehicle, without being modified, we wanted to give that kind of powerful presence with a bull bar inspired grille that goes from the top all the way down to the bottom, giving a powerful presence. And then as we get closer, we see the 3-slot grille here. As those of you who may remember from the D21 pickup truck, it's a nod to the heritage of that. And in this PRO-4X model, you see it in lava red accents along with the Nissan emblem. So all these accents, they combine to exude this type of toughness and precision that a Navara is known for. So if we zoom in even more, we try to have fun everywhere with the design. And in the grille pattern, that you'll see there miniature V-struts again that echoes the bigger shape of the grille. And the density of the mesh shows off the ample cooling and the performance of this ute. And so definitely, all these elements combine to make a cohesive picture.
I love the level of the detail the design team has gone through. It's got a tough silhouette. The stance is further accentuated by the ground clearance. It's awesome. What you've achieved there, Ken, is absolutely amazing and very distinctive. You can really tell it's a Navara, but no one loves a modification more than a ute driver, so I expect some more after that. How did you balance that heritage with that cutting-edge design?
Well, definitely, that's one of the challenges. And we know Nissan, also not only means toughness and strength, but also means technology. So we can see on both the front and the rear, the iconic C-shaped headlamps and the signatures. That gives a visual connection to other Nissan pickups and also the SUV lineup, in particular having a resemblance to our famous Patrol. So the LED lamps on all grades and the headlamps enhances the performance. And as you notice, so rather than putting lots of chrome on it, and on the grills and the bumpers, we use technology as an aspirational expression. So then we achieve this overall look that has a stealthy sophistication.
It's very tough tech, isn't it? I love it. It's stealth, it's tough, it is so impressive, and what an entrance these utes have made, both here tonight and to the Australian market as well. Simply extraordinary. I know, let's turn to you, because I know there's so much that goes into the versatility of these utes and how they're developed. Take us through that process.
Yes, so indeed the usage of pickup, or UT as you say here, is by far the most diverse. From workshop to weekend warrior, they are used for every practicality, every usage possible. This is what we try to do with this car, and this is what we are delivering in the expectation and with confidence. One example is this electric power steering, or EPS, that we are introducing for the first time in Navara. That will give an easier feel that require less effort and in slow, tight turns. We've also improved the suspension with Premcar to meet the expectation on how Navara delivers this wide range of usages. A suspension which is made in Australia by Australian for Australian and New Zealander.
But it sounds so much fancier in French. I love the way you've said that. What can you tell us about the lineup? What variant should we expect to see?
Yes, the Navara lineup is focused on the heart of the segment where the majority of pickup customers demand a lineup of variants across the four-wheel drive pickup range. We have a range of grades in this core segment from entry workshop through this amazing PRO-4X.
Tell me more about the key features and how they've been designed to really get the job done. Because we heard from Leon before,
yes.
Ute owners, they really know what they want, don't they?
Yeah, let me start with what's under the hood. Hard-working 2.4-liter biturbo diesel engine up to 150 kilowatt power, a torque of 470 Newton meter at a lower rev range than ever before. But only is it powerful, this is very efficient with a fuel at 7.7 liter per 100 kilometer. Versus current generation Navara, the new Nissan Navara has more power, more torque, all while being more efficient.
I can hear a little rumble going through the crowd when you announce those stats. Clearly very impressive. It's a lot of grunt. What else?
What else? Of course, the Nissan Navara does the job in terms of towing, 3.5 tons, and in terms of payload, up to 1 ton. Those are the must-have for a Ute. We also offer 7 drive modes: normal, eco, gravel mode, mud, snow, sand, and rock. So, on top of this, we have a specific system called Super 4-wheel drive, which allow you to select between 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, but also the off-road 4-wheel drive, where you can select the lock-unlock system of the center differential.
A few snowdrops fell recently when I was driving my Nissan, and the great pleasure I had in switching it to snow mode just was beyond compared to the predecessor. You've made some important improvements too.
Yeah, compared to its predecessor, we made a lot of improvement on the car. Just to give you some few examples, we are introducing a new infotainment display on a 9-inch screen. We've updated all the ADAS features, so the safety features. We are introducing the around view monitor, 360 degrees protection. We are introducing the intelligent cruise control and also the lane keep assist, plus a very exciting feature, which is the traffic sign recognition. So we are offering improved interior roominess with shoulder and rear leg room increasing by 3 to 4 centimeters. So then we can, with confidence, anticipate a 5-star NCAP rating.
Excellent to hear. So many features. I know in terms of technology, what else is new? Because that's so important to customers now, isn't it?
Yeah, of course. Let me talk about the connected services that we are introducing for the first time in a Ute. Many different features or functionality. Remotely, you will be able to control the air conditioning. You will be able to lock, unlock your car. You have a specific function, so-called the e-call button, which is basically the emergency call functionality. And finally, we have a tracking system inside the car.
Remote door, lock and unlock system, all on your phone, fully equipped, fair to say. That's an understatement.
Yeah, that's fully equipped, but of course, I can't end up this presentation without talking about our full genuine range of accessories. So, of course, many accessories. All those accessories have been tested for Oceania condition. I really insist on this. And of course, among those equipment, you will find, of course, the canopy. You will find the snorkel. You will find the steel bull bar, the tonneau covers, and the list is very long. So I will stop here. But many great and exciting accessories to complete your car.
The bash plate. I'm just going to add that because it just sounds so good. It's a vehicle that's been built for hard work, no doubt about it. So many impressive features. I know, and Ken, thank you so much for taking us through them this evening. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.